Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display on any Armitron Pro Sport digital watch. As you can see here, I have two models, one of the most sold ladies piece right here and the medium-sized men's or women's model right here on the right side. As you can see, both of them indicate the 12-hour display. So here we have AM and here we have PM. So what you want to do in order to switch to the 24-hour display is to press the reset button. As you can see, we have now switched to 17. So we are now in 24-hour display, so military time. And here also by pressing reset, but this time we have AM, so the hour won't change. But now, since we do not have the AM or PM indicator, this means that we have military time. So as you can see guys, this option is going to work for, I believe, most Armitron Pro Sport digital watches. In case it doesn't work for you, you have to make sure that you are in the main time, so in the home screen where you have T1. If you press the mode button, you can see that here we have the alarm, the stopwatch, the T2. So if you press it here, it won't work. It will actually start to set the time. So it won't work here. Make sure to press the mode button once again and to make sure that you have arrived here at the main screen, so where you have the T1 displayed. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. This can be applied to most Armitron Pro Sport digital watches. If you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of these 4-button Armitron digital watches, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so you'll learn how to set the T1, T2, also how to use the alarm function, the stopwatch, and how to activate or deactivate the beeping sound and the alarm. So make sure to check it out, guys. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. We post a bunch of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, so I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy it. And if you are interested in buying a vintage watch, head out to vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next video, so make sure to be subscribed.